we'll guide you through how to make image pop-up effect in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, double-click the application to open it, and wait for the main interface to load completely. Once the program starts, select the Import Content option to create a new project. Browse your files and choose the image you want to use. Then click the Open button to import the selected file into the project and wait a few moments for the file to load completely into the workspace. After the image is selected, change the project title to How to Make Image Pop-Up Effect in VSDC. Next, adjust the resolution according to your needs, although for this example you can leave it at the default setting. Then choose a background color for the project. A black background works well in this example because it helps the image stand out clearly. Once all project settings are ready, click the Finish button to enter the main editing workspace. When the project opens, locate the image on the timeline and double-click it to access the image editing mode. After that, click the Video Effects menu located at the top of the interface. From the available categories, select Transform, then choose the Zoom effect. Leave the object position settings unchanged and simply click the OK button to apply the effect. Next, move to the right side of the screen, find the Levels section in the Properties window, and set the value to 0.50%. Then click the three-dot icon to open the Levels panel, where you can create custom animation keyframes. Add the first keyframe at 1 second and set its value to 60%. This creates the initial expansion of the image. Then add another keyframe at 1.1 seconds and set the value to 45%, causing the image to slightly shrink. After that, add a third keyframe at 1.2 seconds and set it to 50%. Move the timeline cursor back to the beginning of the video. Click the play button to preview the result.